Welcome to IEHUB. In this tutorial we will learn how to create a material description generator, also known as MDGen. What is MDGen? MDGen feature is designed to standardize material descriptions in alignment with widely recognized industry standards such as IFC, CHIFOS, ISO, and custom organizational frameworks. By enforcing structured and consistent naming conventions, MDGen enables organizations to eliminate inconsistent descriptions, reduce duplicate material records, and significantly improve searchability across engineering, procurement, and operations. Key capabilities. MDGen provides a flexible and configurable framework for creating standardized material descriptions. Through predefined rules, structured attributes, and controlled vocabularies, users across different regions, business units, and projects can generate uniform and reliable material descriptions. This ensures consistency regardless of who creates or manages the material data. Challenges without MDGen. In current ERP environments, material master data is often inconsistent and highly dependent on individual engineer naming practices. Each engineer may follow a different style and may omit critical technical attributes, leading to unstructured and ambiguous material descriptions. Difficulty in locating the correct material. Increased duplication of material records. Inefficient procurement and operational delays. Poor interoperability with AI-driven automation and analytics. For instance, searching for a specific item, such as a 50 mm PVC valve, can become time-consuming and error-prone when descriptions are not standardized or searchable through structured attributes. Large enterprises managing thousands or even millions of material records frequently experience elevated operational costs, miscommunication between departments, and redundant inventory due to inconsistent material data. Key benefits of using MDG. Engineers spend less time searching for materials information. An estimated 10% of an engineer's time is spent on mining data. Inventory costs are reduced by avoiding incorrect orders and excess stocks. Spare parts are easy to identify and can be replaced on time. Ensures the right parts are issued every time. Better data accuracy helps enable predictive maintenance. Structured data supports compliance and quality control. We will walk through an example to see how MDGen works. In this example, we'll create a material description for a flow transmitter. First, select the primary attribute as flow transmitter. Then, choose the mandatory secondary attributes. Based on these inputs, MDGen generates a standardized and compliant description. If you would like to explore how MDGen can standardize your material descriptions, contact info@hontrel.com for a free application demo. Thank you for watching.